Hello, good morning. I am Dr. Sudhanshu, DNB consultant physician. Today I am here to speak on COVID preventive measures and necessary steps that we need to take at this current moment. We all know we were all doing pretty good. Number of cases per day was declining and everybody was happy. But suddenly there is a big surge in the number of cases and we are all grappled with the second peak or second wave of COVID-19. In this time of crisis, we should all have patience and we should all follow or intensify our preventive and precautionary measures. First and foremost thing that we should all wear masks whenever we are going to public. We should all try to maintain distance 6 feet. We should have the habit of hand hygiene. We should try to minimize hand to mouth or nose contact, eye contact. So these all prevents us from spreading and getting the infection. Second important thing is vaccination. So we should all try to wait for our turn and get vaccine without any delay and without any hesitation. Vaccine not only prevents us from disease, but also if we acquire disease, the severity will become very low. So this is the main benefit. But then once we are vaccinated, we should not think that we are all done and behave like there is no COVID, no nothing. We should always follow the preventive and precautionary measures. There might be scenario we have vaccinated, we have the problem and we can spread to someone who is not vaccinated. So we should always practice the all three steps of face mask, hand wash and maintaining social distance. Another important things that we should do is to approach doctor. We should understand that these all symptoms like cold, cough, fever, diarrhea, vomiting can be a symptoms of COVID-19. So we should approach doctor as early as possible and try to avoid self-medication as much as possible. We all understand in this era of advanced multimedia and social media, there are a lot of prescription sharing from one group to another group, and people do usually start medication without proper consultation with doctor. So this is very wrong. One prescription given by a doctor is given after understanding completely about that patient, which might not be appropriate for other patients. So we will have to understand. Some medication can be given to some patient, some medication cannot be given to another patient. It's not like a car tire which can fit in every car of that brand. No, nothing like that. So we'll have to be very careful about that thing. And in the era when there is advanced video consultation, so you should try, if not possible to visit doctor personally, you should try to have teleconsultation, video consultation with proper guideline, following the proper guideline. Doctor has to be proper, he has to display his degree, there has to be proper video consultation. So and the consultation and the prescription also has to be given in proper way, in following the guidelines designed by Indian Medical Council. So these all has to be followed. So once the doctor decides that you need these all medication, you need these all tests, RT-PCR or chest HRCT, so you will have to follow that test and follow up with the doctor. So doing so prevents us from falling into the complication ground. And even when we are not improving or worsening symptoms are deteriorating, we should immediately consult doctor so that proper advice can be given for hospital approaching and hospital intervention. So these all are very important things. So what is happening these days? People are rushing to the hospital without consultation and occupying the beds, and someone who is in needy fails to get the bed. So these things can be minimized by proper consultation, teleconsultation and proper evaluation. So these are things we should keep in mind. So I would not like to take much time and would like everybody to be very careful, very cautious and fight together in this time of crisis so that we come back to normal and progressive time. Thank you.